Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting accounts so the all-in-one app can act for you, grant only needed scopes. Once done, test one service end-to-end to confirm tokens refresh correctly and rate limits are visible. Make sure to label accounts clearly so you avoid mixing work and personal keys. If the app supports OAuth, prefer it versus password entry for security. This step prevents cascading failures later and speeds up the rest of the integration process. Next, you create the core workflows that route data between apps. Map each step so failures are isolated. Once mappings exist, set transforms and field mappings so formats align, JSON to CSV versus raw text, for example. Make sure to tune rate limits and concurrency to avoid hitting API caps. Use exponential backoff policies. Then save templates for recurring tasks and enable role-based access so teammates only see what they must. This reduces errors and simplifies debugging later. Finally, you finalize deployment by enabling monitoring, alerts, and dashboards so issues surface fast. Once live, run end-to-end tests and simulate edge cases, timeouts, 500 errors, and data mismatches to confirm retries and rollbacks behave as expected. Make sure alert thresholds are sensible and assign an on-call owner. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to check the auth token expiry first. Regenerating tokens resolves most silent failures and gets the whole flows moving again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.